Naomi, this is horrifying what you're describing, but of course our audience is also very, very sophisticated, so they know that a young girl is born with all the eggs that she will ever have her entire life, which means that we have to talk about transgenerational effects of these. So if a pregnant woman is pregnant with her daughter, then whatever is injected into her body, as you well know, you've spoken about this, affects at least 2 generations. Can you tell me what kind of conclusions have you been able to draw about the transgenerational effects of this for the survivors who were not yet killed by these injections? Can this go beyond 2 generations? What does it mean?
Well, I don't know the answer to that because, our only evidence, all that I speak to, all that I know is from the Pfizer documents, and they didn't ask that question. Except, the one thing I'll kind of restate is that my colleague Amy Kelly did identify that they knew that the lipid nanoparticles were degrading the myelin sheath around the testes of baby boys in utero. And so that degrades the Sertoli cells and latex cells, which generate the hormones that turn teenage boys into men. So that's, future generations. As I mentioned, we don't know if those baby boys can be fertile, like in addition to, will they have broad shoulders and deep voices and, facial hair and all the things we associate with secondary sex characteristics for men. We don't know if they will be able to father children. The transgenerational questions, in addition to that, really are being raised by people like Kevin McKernan, who has found DNA contamination horrible DNA contamination in both Pfizer and Moderna. And he's pointing out that has kind of unintended consequences down the road. It's changed human DNA. I think we don't know what it will result in, but we're not the same.
Wow. Okay. So we are living through an experiment with unknown results.